English speaking course.
Hello, English learners. Welcome to English Speaking Course. Have you ever faced the situation, I can understand English, but I can't speak? That makes you afraid to speak English out loud. Furthermore, you have the challenge of not having a detailed study plan. So watch today's video carefully.
In this video, we'll provide you with 5 English learning habits for beginners that can help you improve your English skills. We will practice each skill together. Each skill will have exercises and tips for you to learn English more easily. Check it out now. Practicing listening is very important for English beginners. We can start with some simple daily conversations to improve our listening day by day. If you want to build a good habit, listening for 5 minutes every day is a great way to start. You shouldn't set too high a target because you may feel discouraged right away. Now, let's practice 5 minutes listening together.
Hey, Emma, what are you thinking? What do you want to do in the future? I am interested in arts, so I want to be an artist. Sounds great. What can an artist do? An artist can draw and paint pictures. We can create sculptures too. I think learning the arts is difficult. I know, but I want to make this dream come true. So that means you will go to an art college? Maybe, but I am discussing it with my parents. They want me to become a sales manager. Really? But why? Because my family already has a clothes shop. They want me to manage the shop after they retire. But it isn't your dream, right? Yeah, that's why I'm still talking with them. How about you? What is your dream job? I must say I have a lot of dreams. When I was 5 years old, I wanted to become a doctor to cure people. But when I entered secondary school, I wanted to become a singer. I used to sing pretty well back at that time. However, I met a lot of friends who sing better than me in high school, so I decided to become an architect. Wow! So you want to design buildings? That's right. I want to design a new house for my family. My house is quite small right now. If I could become an architect, I would create more space for my family. I think it would be wonderful if I could build a theater in my house. That's a good idea. Then we wouldn't need to buy tickets to our favorite movies anymore. I know, right? How about you? If you were an artist, what would you want to do? I want to open my own art gallery. Then, I want to use the money from selling my artwork to raise donations. Why would you want to do that? Because I want to use my hobby to help the poor and the homeless. I believe you can do it. You too. I know you can become an architect. Please help me design my dream house as well. Of course. I look forward to visiting your art gallery.
Vocabulary is very necessary to improve your English. For beginners, 5 new words a day would be an ideal number for you to memorize vocabulary. You can write down the vocabulary in your notebook. Don't forget to write at least one example next to the new words. It will help you to learn by heart more easily. Now, let's practice together.
The first word we have here is artist. An artist is a person who can draw, paint, or create sculptures. What do you want to do in the future? I am interested in arts, so I want to be an artist. Next, we have a sales manager. We have the word sale, which means the act of selling something. And the job of a manager is to run a business and take care of their employees. Therefore, a sales manager is a person who runs a store while his employees sell something there. My family wants me to become a sales manager because they have a clothes shop. Let's move to the word doctor. Doctors work at the hospital. Their job is to treat ill or injured people. When I was 5 years old, I wanted to become a doctor to cure people. How about the word singer? A singer is a person who can sing a song in public places. But when I entered secondary school, I wanted to become a singer. Finally, we have architect, which means a person who can design buildings and houses. I decided to become an architect because I want to design a new house for my family. All right, everybody, is everything all clear? This is how you learn the vocabulary by heart.
After practicing listening, one of the best ways to improve your speaking is to repeat what you have listened to. Don't hesitate to say it out loud. You can improve not only your pronunciation, but also your confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect. This time, you will practice directly with the character in the conversation. Are you ready?
Hey, Emma, what are you thinking? I am interested in arts, so I want to be an artist. An artist can draw and paint pictures. We can create sculptures too. I know, but I want to make this dream come true. Maybe, but I am discussing it with my parents. They want me to become a sales manager. Because my family already has a clothes shop. They want me to manage the shop after they retire. Yeah, that's why I'm still talking with them. How about you? What is your dream job? Wow, so you want to design buildings? That's a good idea. Then we wouldn't need to buy tickets to our favorite movies anymore. I want to open my own art gallery. Then, I want to use the money from selling my artwork to raise donations. Because I want to use my hobby to help the poor and the homeless. You too! I know you can become an architect. Please help me design my dream house as well.
After repeating the conversations, answering some questions related to the topics will also help you to remember what you have learned. Don't be scared if you make mistakes. You may have a chance to memorize vocabulary better. Please try your best to answer based on what you remember. Let's see how many correct answers you could get after listening to the conversation. Number 1. What can an artist do? The answer is C, all of the above. Number 2. What do Sally's parents want her to become? The correct one is B. Number 3. Does Emma have 3 dreams? The answer is yes. Her dreams are to be a doctor, singer, and architect. Number 4. What type of room does Emma want to build in her house? Did you get the correct answer? It's A. Number 5. Sally wants to open an art gallery because... The correct one is definitely B. She wants to raise donations. Great job, everyone! How many correct answers did you get? Let me know in the comment section below.
Finally, let's turn what you've practiced today into your daily habits. Let's try to think in English and express your words in English. I have a secret tip for you. You can practice thinking in English with the 5 W's. They are who, what, when, where, and why. How do they work? Let's have a look at the first situation. I am going for a walk with my dog. So, who is going for a walk? It's me and my dog, right? What are you and your dog doing? Maybe you guys are playing with a ball. When are you guys going for a walk? The answer is in the morning. How about where are you going for your walk? Isn't it in the park? Let's do something more difficult. Why do you want to go for a walk? Maybe you want to get some exercise or you want to relax with your dog. All in all, we can speak a full sentence like this. In the morning, my dog and I go to the park because I want to get some exercise and spend more time with my dog. So we decided to play ball together. What do you think about this method? It's quite simple to understand, right? If you find it hard to answer the question why, you may skip that. All right, shall we try another example?
Let's have a look at this situation and imagine this is your father. Who is that? The answer is obviously my father, right? What is he doing? He's lying on the sofa and watching TV. When does he watch TV? Maybe 6 p.m. every day. How about where does he often watch TV? He probably watches it in the living room. Then why does he watch TV every day? Maybe because his favorite TV program is on at 6 p.m. Finally, we have a full sentence. My father watches TV in the living room at 6 p.m. every day because he wants to watch his favorite TV program.
How does it sound now? Have you learned it? You can choose the methods that make you comfortable when learning English.
Remember, no matter what happens, never give up. Please be determined to achieve your learning goals. The outcome will never let you down.
Don't forget to develop these 5-minute habits every day to improve your English.
Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for a more useful video.